Have you ever wanted to copy a 3D object without spending hours with a caliper and a CAD program, but you had to choose between buying a 3D scanner and your monthly car payment? We're introducing the first 3D laser scanner with a price point under $100. Our scanner has the same or better specifications as currently available scanners, costing up to 7 times more, is simple to operate, and has a wide range of options. How did we manage to design a machine with these specifications yet at a far lower price? We based our design around the BQ Cyclop, an open source laser scanner. After lots of experimentation, we settled upon hardware and electronics that would provide the same scan quality but at a fraction of the price. Then, instead of using ugly and unwieldy threaded rod, we fused sleek laser-cut acrylic with plastic parts that the user can fabricate themselves on their own 3D printer. We redesigned our parts specifically with ease of printing in mind to use a fraction of the time and material of the original Cyclop. Further, we immensely reduced the minimum footprint for the parts in order to print on even the smallest of printers. To scan, simply set any object on the ample 200mm acrylic turntable and click the Start button. 2 red line lasers flash on the object that is being scanned, and as the turntable slowly makes a complete revolution, the 720p camera detects the location of each of the laser lines, storing those locations as points in 3D space. After the scan is complete, a cloud of points is generated that replicates the surface of the object. That point cloud can be used standalone or easily converted in a free program like MeshLab or Cloud Compare to reproduce on a 3D printer or keep as a CAD file to add to a drawing or assembly and save you the time of creating the part from scratch. So what's stopping you from adding a great piece of technology to your lab, workshop, kitchen table, or wherever you like to tinker and design? We've made sure that it isn't the price or performance. As 3D printing enthusiasts, we wanted to design a scanner that had excellent functionality, but was modestly priced and born out of the DIY spirit. We grew up together in a small agricultural community in Montana and have always been interested in technology and innovation. Armed with the experience from a successful Kickstarter in 2015, an engineering degree from Harvard, and the real-world application skills that come from living on a farm, our goal is nearly complete. Now, we just need you to help us realize our goal of expanding this growing technology and making 3D scanning incredibly affordable to anyone who owns a 3D printer by supporting our campaign. Thank you.
We're the team behind Tico. As inventors, we constantly use 3D printers to create and test our ideas. But every 3D printer we used fell short of our expectations. They were heavy, overcomplicated, and unreliable. We often spent more time calibrating our printers than printing our inventions. So we came up with a simple solution: Unibody. This is Tico, the Unibody 3D printer. Most 3D printer frames are built using separate rails. Unibody means the rails are built into the chassis, creating one solid piece. One solid piece, Unibody. And with this simple shift in design, all the problems that came from separate rail systems disappeared. More reliable and accurate, Tico sets a new standard for 3D printers. And it doesn't stop at Unibody. Tico has an internal filament tray, enclosed build chamber, auto safety shutoff, a large print volume, a flexible base, wireless connectivity, and cloud-based software so you can print from almost anywhere on any internet-friendly device. With Tico, we've not only set a new standard for design, but for price too. Tico is only $179. Yup, $179. That's the beauty of Unibody design. It's better and it costs less to manufacture. We could set the price higher, but we want everyone to have a Tico. This is where we need your help. We use 3D printing to create Tico. Imagine all the ideas that could become realities. Imagine what you could build. Back us today, and let's find out.